Right here in San Jose at the Toyota dealership, picking up my 2015 Toyota Tacoma with TRD Supercharger kit. 2015, 35,000 miles on it. Dealership installed TRD Supercharger kit. Bumps it up to 304 horses from 236. It's got the TRD wheels. About to drive it back home to LA County. Get the step bar. Alright, so it's on. Brand new battery. And it's got the oval TRD exhaust turn. It's a cold start. Got an extra bed liner in there.